Oh yes, we've got more integration. We're on question number 6. And here it is. So we've got to use the following substitution, u is equal to cot x, to find that integral over there. So jot that one down, have a go, and we'll catch up in a few seconds to go through the answers. Righto, it's solution time. So we need to find the following integral. So cot squared x cosec to the 4x. And now when we're doing integration with substitution, we're going to start with our substitution and differentiate it. So du dx is going to equal minus cosec squared x, and then get that equal to dx. So we can say du is equal to minus cosec squared x dx, and then minus 1 over cosec squared x du is going to equal dx. So now I can substitute that over here. So we'll have cot squared x cosec to the 4x multiplied by minus 1 over cosec squared x du. Okay, let's just separate this. There we go. Okay, great. Now what can we see? We can see we can do some cancelling. So we've got cosec to the 4 over here, and we're dividing by cosec squared. So if we cancel those, what are we left with? We're just left with cot squared x and then cosec squared x multiplied by minus 1 and du. Now the best thing would be to get that minus 1, take it outside of the integral, right? So I'm going to get rid of it, and I'm going to write it like that, with the minus on the outside. Perfect. So we can start to use our substitution now. We know that u is cot x, so that means we can replace the cot squared. So we'll have u squared in its place. But we now need to turn the cosec squared x into u as well. And for that, I think we'll need to use an identity. So we know that sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. And if we divide everything by sine squared x, then we would have 1 plus cot squared x is equal to cosec squared x. And so cosec squared x is just 1 plus cot squared, which is 1 plus u squared, because that's our substitution. So we can pop that in here now. So 1 plus u squared, like this, du. And now let's expand that out. So we'll have u squared plus u to the 4 du. And now we can integrate this. So let's go. U to the 3, and then 1/3, and then that would be u to the 5 and a 5th in front of it. There we go, plus c. Last part, multiply through by the negative and replace your substitution. So minus 1/3, and u we said was cot x, and then 1/5, and again cot x to the 5, and then plus c. So if you wanted to neaten that up one little bit more, we could go with 1/5 cot to the 5x, take away 1/3 cot cubed x plus c. And there it is. That's our final answer. So, nice substitution question there. Hopefully you've understood how to get that question correct. And there's more integration coming, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you in another integration video very soon.